Dear students, in this session, I will explain the data types, that means 8051 data types, and assembler directives, and the assembly language program. The 8051 microcontroller supports only 8-bit data. That means it supports both signed and unsigned 8-bit numbers. So unsigned numbers means unsigned numbers are defined as data in which all the bits are used to represent the data. For 8-bit, the data can be 00 to FFH, that means hexadecimal, or 00 to 255 in decimal numbers. In signed number representation, the most significant bit identifies the number as positive or negative, and the remaining bits are used to represent the magnitude. So, in the 8051 data types, if the most significant bit is 0, the most significant bit, this is the most significant bit, is 0. The number is positive. Or if it is 1, if it is 1 means the most significant is must be 1, is 1 means then the number is negative as shown in the table. In the negative numbers, the magnitude is represented in 2's complement as shown in the table. For 8-bit, the data can be from plus 127 to minus 128. Next, assembly language programs. The 8051 assembly program consists of 2 sections, namely assembly language program and assembler directives. An assembly language program consists of a sequence of statements that tell the microcontroller to perform the desired operations, that means desired functions. But assembler directives instruct the assembler on how to process subsequent assembly language instructions. Next is the assembler directives. And assembler directives instruct the assembler on how to process the subsequent assembly language instructions, define program constants, and reserve space for variables. ORG directives, that means origin directives, it is used to indicate the starting address. It can be used only when the PC, that means program counter, needs to be changed. Next, the number that comes after ORG can be either in hexadecimal or in decimal. For example, ORG 2000H, that means H means hexadecimal. That means set the program counter, that means PC, to 2000. Next, EQU and SET directives. The EQU and SET directives assign numerical value or register name to the specified symbol name. EQU is used to define a constant without storing information in the memory. The symbol defined with EQU should not be redefined, whereas the directive allows redefinition of symbols at a later stage. For example, pointer SCT R1, that means register, use R1 as a pointer, counter EQU R3, use R3 as a counter, NEQU 35H, move R3 hash N, that means R35H is stored in the register R3. Next directive is the DB, define bit. This directive is used to define an 8-bit data. It initializes memory with 8-bit values. The number can be in decimal, binary, hexa, or in ASCII formats. For example, data 1 DB40H, that means in hexadecimal. Data 2 DB01011100B, that means it's a binary. That means for data 3 DB48, it is in decimal. That means for decimal, the D after the decimal number is option. Next, data 4 DB quotation marks, in that quotation marks HELLOW. That means for ASCII, the number is written in the quotation marks. This is ASCII. That means for decimal, D after the decimal number is option, but for binary and hexadecimal, B and H are required. For ASCII, the number is written in the quotation marks. Next directive is the end directive. The end directive signals the end of the assembly module. Next, it indicates the end of the program to the assembler. That means any text in the assembly file that appears after the end directive is ignored. If the end statement is missing, the assembler will generate an error message. So in the previous sessions, we have discussed the architecture, and that means block diagram of 8051 microcontroller, and also the addressing modes and the instruction set of the 8051 microcontroller. So we will write the assembly language program. For example, write a program to add the values of location 50H and 51H and store the result in the locations 52H and 53H. Next is the algorithm. So the algorithm, that means it is a step procedure to solve the logical and mathematical problems. For example, a set of instructions for preparing a particular dish, including a list of the ingredients used, because it says what must be done, that means step by step. So step first, load the memory contents 50H into the A. That means A means accumulator. That means it stores the 8-bit of informations. Step 2, add the memory contents 51H with the contents of A accumulator. Step 3. Store the contents of A in 52H. Step 4. Store the contents of carry flag in 53H. Next, the program is as follows. First one, ORG 000H. That means set program counter to 000H. Move A 50H. That means load the content of memory location 50H into the accumulator. That means A. Next, ADDA, 51H. Add the content of memory location 51H with the content of A. Next, move 52H, A. Save the least significant byte of the result in location 52H. Next, move A, hash 00. That means load the 00H into A accumulator. ADDC A, hash 00. That means add the immediate data and the contents of the carry flag to A. Next, move 53H, A. That means save the most significant byte of the result in location 53H. Next is AND. ORG is a directive and AND is also directive. Thank you.